Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is 5th May 2024. In this video, let us generate bullish and bearish trade setups for a monthly income trade and a weekly income trade. They are nothing but swing or positional income trades. Even before that, a small announcement, please. We are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. If this is your first visit, you can access all the training lessons from our NeoStock YouTube channel. Here you click on this community tab. In the community tab, I already posted about supply demand zone price action course training, and you have a link. Click on this link. It will take you to the playlist supply demand zone price action course. Here you have all the training lessons. Just scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here, starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are available in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills. I have also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. You just join in the channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new YouTube video, we will provide an update in the channel. Even you can access all the old training lessons and their links. Everything is available in that Telegram channel. Now let's get into the report generation with the help of NeoStock software, supply demand zone top-down analysis strategy builder. First, we are going to generate bullish trade setup for monthly income trade. For monthly income trade, our entry time frame zone is daily, and the entry zone is a demand zone. So we go for long trades for bullish trade setup. And in bullish or bearish trade setup, parameter in this third row, in daily time frame, because entry time frame is a daily, just select the value bullish. That means a bullish trade setup is ready. You can generate the stocks, but I want to add 3 additional filters. The first filter is I don't want pierced zones. If a zone is pierced, there is no meaning in planning a trade in that zone. So I don't want pierced demand zones, because entry zone is a demand zone. So I don't want pierced demand zones. Which time frame? Daily time frame, because entry time frame is daily. So here we have a parameter called pierced count. Look into the last parameter in this space, pierced count. So in daily time frame, I have to indicate my minimum value is 0 and the maximum value is 0, which indicates the pierced count is 0. Pierced count 0 means the zone is not yet pierced. It's not pierced. And the second filter is zone achievement. We already learned in lesson 20, I clearly told you, in our checklist, always our zone should have VOZ, violated opposing zone. Because we can't trust a VOP, violated opposing pivot. They may work, but we can't trust. So that's why zone achievement we set as a VOZ, and the minimum odd enhancer score should be 12 for bullish or bearish trade setup. So let us generate the report. So this is the filter list. See what I do, I'll be giving you only few seconds time to watch this report, and then I will move on to the next report. I will scroll down. So just pause the video and you can study all the parameters. In case if you are not aware of all these columns and the parameters, please complete lesson 21.1. In lesson 21.1 in our training videos, I have clearly explained each and every column and their abbreviations, and also how we can make use of this leg in timestamp, base candles count, and leg out timestamp for drawing the zones. And also remember, if you complete up to the phase 2 training program, phase 2 means end of lesson 20, then only you look into these reports. I have given clear instructions. First, you should know how to draw zones on your own. These software reports are only to save your time, but not to kill your knowledge. Okay, so let me scroll down. So total 25 stocks are supporting bullish trade setup for monthly income trade. Okay, let me go back. For daily time frame, let us generate the daily time frame means for monthly income trade, let us generate bearish trade setup. Monthly income trade entry time frame is daily. For bearish trade setup, entry zone should be supply zone. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup, in daily time frame, I am selecting bearish. And remaining three filters, so whatever we said earlier, they still remain same. They are applicable. So now let me filter the stocks. So 4 stocks are filtered. Currently these 4 stocks are supporting bearish trade setup for monthly income trade. Okay, now let us generate bullish and bearish trade setup for weekly income trade. For weekly income trade, entry time frame is 75 minutes. Entry zone should be demand zone for bullish trade setup. And in bullish or bearish trade setup parameter, this time in 75 minutes time frame, because this is our entry time frame, we are selecting the value bullish. Now let us set the 3 filters. The first filter, P-asked zones. So in this P-asked count, this time we have to look into the 75 minutes time frame. This is our entry time frame. So minimum value 0, maximum value 0. And these values will be applied to the demand zone because we selected entry zone as demand zone. And the zone achievement should be VOZ for the demand zone, and minimum odd enhancers score for demand zone should be 12. See, whichever the entry zone you selected, for that zone only these 3 filters will be applied. Suppose if you select supply zone, the same filters will be applied to the supply zone. That's why entry zone is very important. Now let us filter the stocks. So here also we have good number of stocks currently that are supporting bullish trade setup for weekly income trade. So let me scroll down. So total 24 stocks are supporting bullish trade setup for weekly income trade. Okay, fine. Now let me go back. Now let us generate a bearish trade setup for weekly income trade. So entry time frame is 75 minutes, but entry zone should be supply zone. And now all the filters will be applied to the supply zone. And in bullish or bearish trade setup, you need to select the value bearish. And the filters, the 3 filters remain same, but this time they are applied to the supply zone. Now let us filter the stocks. 4 stocks are filtered. These 4 stocks are supporting bearish trade setup for weekly income trade. So this is about bullish and bearish trade setups for monthly income trade and weekly income trade. And the last report, let us generate the stop buffers based on daily ATR. So based on daily ATR, we are generating. This is the daily ATR. Use 15% ATR for monthly income trade, 10% ATR for weekly income trade. See, I keep on scrolling this list down. Whichever the stock or indices you want to refer, there you pause the video. See, first 17 in this list are indices, sectorial indices. Remaining all are the equity stocks, but they have taken from F&O category. Let me scroll down. So this is the filtered list. Hope this information will be useful to you for your further study and analysis. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.